What are we doing, Kyle? How'd that reverberate over here? I heard that very well in my right ear.
Camshaft!
I mean, you're not wrong. I was just kind of playing up my excitement. I'm really tired, so that's all I had to run on.
Today's the day we're gonna start putting her back together.
But not the way it came apart.
Not the way it came apart, no.
What's in there, Kyle?
Camshaft!
There we go. Now we're gonna clear.
Clear a spot and we'll do what's in here.
We got two because they break easy, apparently.
They break super easy kind of thing.
So we're gonna have to go, what do we, okay, so 5.3, Goldy, 5.3, torn apart. So that's a, what is it, 3,000 stall?
That's a 3,000 Summit stall.
So 5.3, 3,000 Summit stall. There's a reason for a 3,000 stall in a street engine. That's what's in here.
This is joy and happiness.
We got us some LS7, it looks like shitty pond water, but inside of that, LS7 lifters having a little bath. Okay! That was underwhelming.
That was really, really underwhelming. So we have what I believe to be the wrong valve seals for my engine.
It's a fantastic start. Wouldn't have it any other way.
Oh no, beehive, look at me, good for me.
That was a calculated purchase. Not a surprise at all. After a week of shipping, it got here and you figured out what you have. Oh, sick beehives. That's some engine porn. We'll have to take pictures. And then, the exciting one.
This is the exciting part.
This is what all
the exciting
LS...
part is it fits in one piece.
I just ruptured my sinuses holding that laugh in. Whew.
Where's the specs on?
I forgot I put my broken valve on the wall. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
That's a lot of money spent.
Well, for anybody who cares.
Jesus. Not bad. As I didn't notice, anything too special about it, looking at your duration lift. It'd be the fact it's a stage 4. Stage 4 truck cam. So
She's a junkyard LS. This one hasn't been to the moon.
no, this one's rebuilt in a can. Just catching on pretty quick. So as it sits, timing chain off, heads off, lifters out. Probably throwing away those lifters. Let's get real.
Yeah.
So Cam's ready to go in. He's gloving up.
Get ready for it.
I'm uncomfortable incredibly, so we're gonna slap that.
I'm uncomfortable incredibly.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah. I guess you put it in. Pretty straightforward. Hard part was disassembling and or removing.
Which we've got no footage of. None.
Shit, we might not have any footage. 4L80 while it's out. That's getting some stuff to stall.
They'll probably see that in the next week or two.
What's that getting?
That's getting...
Shift kit, yep.
Shift kit, yes.
Okay, so 80, good to go. 5.3. It's possible to do this without pulling off the heads, of course. I don't know why we don't ever do that. We like throwing money away, so we're gonna renew everything.
We had it all apart. We figured we'd clean it up.
That, and she's looking pretty clean here.
Make it the clean parts.
Yeah, and then we just that's still to be cleaned. All right. Well, you ready to stick things in stuff?
Let's start lubing it up.
Weird. We work in only the best of environments.
Start following so we can get a real shop.
Send money. I'm once again asking for your financial support. We're just some broke folk trying to
make shit go fast.
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, that's nice and thick.
Oh, fuck yeah. Daddy. Ooh.
This can never go in.
This is also my brother just pointing out how truly uncomfortable that is for us.
Don't mind it.
Alrighty, so Cam in. Everything nice and happy, nice and used. I hope that shows up on the camera that I almost had to catch you there.
I was really hoping we'd play that off, so thanks for that, Jack.
Okay, so everything's going well. We're getting along still.
Super good.
Moves nice and easy. Now someone gets to shoot springs off and not lose keepers.
Well, we'll get a good standing shot for that, I guess.
So we got our head 862s.
862s is what we finally,
for now.
my ADD finally settled on.
Just for the 5.3.
Just for the 5.3.
She's looking pretty okay. So, seals are off, valves out, they're all numbered, they'll go back, happy places. Just want to point out, handy valve in a wall. So bigger ones are intakes, little are exhaust. Kyle. I f***ed up. I almost did swallow my tongue right there. Looks like it's got a little handle.
Why would you do that?
Why? I'm a loose. I do things.
You gonna catch it? Are you gonna catch it?
I feel like there could have been better communication.
I said, are you gonna catch it 4 times?
That could mean anything. Just a cute little comparison. Look at that. That's Hitler's still alive.
He is! Watch the conspiracy theory!
We need to back up a couple steps here. You gotta really sell me on this one.
This is exciting content.
I've nearly arrived. What are we looking at?
I'm getting orientation, so I put them both in backwards.
Oh,
You're missing an action shot.
I'm getting all the action shots. Why do you have such sinister eyes? So much anger and hate. All right, what are you doing? How'd the washer go on? So, bolts?
We're installing ARP head bolts. We went with bolts because we're not boosting.
Damn it, that was an impressive cut.
So,
Catch. Slippery stuff there, not on the bottom. And then slippery stuff up there.
not up here.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I have 2 different head bolt sizes. So the shorter ones, so there's 2 bolt sizes. The shorter goes on the outside.
So I blinked. 2 minutes later, arts and crafts in the Lutz house. What happened?
So both
Nothing
heads-
bad for the record.
Nothing bad, which is impressive and a relief.
So far.
But heads are both on and torqued. Rockers, everything, lifters, yada yada yada, they're all in there.
Push rods?
Push rods are all in, although
Valve?
I almost didn't put them in.
Valve train's done.
Yep,
Good.
So everything's good up there. Oh,
Okay, so nothing's hitting, nothing's stopping so far. Not a whole lot of terrible noises. Not more than we're comfortable with, at least. So you got to slam the pickup. You got to take 2 of those nuts right off. And then pick up. So, O-ring. Do the old thingy-majiggy thing.
you betcha.
You can.
They'll know what the you're talking about. If you're a wild card, you can cut that tab. And supposedly this one's easier to access when the engine's in the car.
So you don't have to take the oil pan off. You would be able What the hell did I just say? Couldn't take the oil pan off. You could take the front cover off, be able to hit that. If you do swap the bolt to that side, all you would have to do is take the front cover off. So far, so good. To take that bolt off, you would not have to take the oil pan off to service, cam, anything in the future.
However,
Yes.
we're not doing that.
We're not doing that. We're going to keep it as difficult as possible. That's how we do it here. So it's pretty much decided at this point we're not going to turbo the 5.3. We're going to pick up a 6-liter. And we're going to build that up. We're either going to do a high compression build or turbo. So for now, we're just slamming this together with a big old stage 4 cam. And we're going to go make race truck noises. Well, once again, didn't think I'd ever see this day, but you gone done did her. Another successful day in the Loot Skunk Works. That light is a real pain in the ass behind you. How do I... Huh? Oh. Alright, little buddy. What did we get done today? This is far more difficult than just turning the light off. And I say we very loosely. What did you get accomplished today?
The whole engine got built today.
Fucking good day right there.
We put in a stage 4 BTR racing cam, so hopefully that'll give us some excitement when it starts up. And beehive springs, ARP bolts. There's Goldy back together.
So she's getting made with a 4L80, 3,000 stall going into the 03 Tahoe with 500,000 kilometers, and boom! Best part of all, shave truck intake. That's not bad though. Probably gonna be a whole video on a shaving truck intake since we've now done 2. Doesn't matter, don't care. So shave truck intake on the 5.3, just cammed, ready to party. Just gonna run hard for 13s, right? We will nitrous our way into 13s.
We will nitrous our way into 13s.
And into your hearts. How? I just finger in the goddamn camera port every time. That's annoying. You can take my monetization if you need. Yeah. I'm gonna throw up and I'm the one doing this. What are you doing?
Cutting off this hose because I can't get it off. There we go.
Do you think, can you see it? Do you think we're both in it? Is it snowing outside? Alright, well that's the end of this episode. No one's responding to me. I'm just talking to myself. So, appreciate thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
Yeah, makes us feel better. Makes us feel better.